Hello viewers, welcome to Drive and Fish. Today in this video I'm going to show you the decoration that I've made for my daughter, and this video has been made only to give an idea and how decoration can be made at home with minimal things. And I would like to show you, actually I wanted to show you how to make this, but due to some technical issues I couldn't film the complete process. It took roughly 3 hours, and now let's see the decoration that I've made. Come on. So you can see the number one. So these are all balloons. Everything in this room is complete balloon, and so you can make this at a very it's a low cost decoration basically. And you can see the happy birthday balloon as well behind this number one. And we have inflated these balloons as well on the floor. And earlier it was, now the party is over. Earlier it was very nice. So this is the complete. Let me get inside. You can see how this arch has been nicely formed. I think you can see this clearly. So look at the train. There's a train out there. Actually, I loved it. This train. There's a doggy in it. You can see. So now, this is the complete decoration. This you can do it in roughly 3 hours. I hope you like this video, and if you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button for more videos like this. And I feel really bad for not posting the complete process because it was very fun. I know you can just spend some bucks and get this ready-made, or you can get this done by some professionals. And this was really fun. Like my wife, we just spent roughly 2 to 3 hours, and we got this decoration out, and you can see it's fabulous. It's mirrored. I don't know how to get this in a normal mode. I know it looks like inverted. I'm recording this using my Samsung phone, so I don't know what's happening. And thanks for watching this video. See you. Bye.